Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss sorting and arranging data in R. So sorting and arranging data helps in organizing data sets for better analysis. In this video, we will cover four aspects. Firstly, sorting data with base R, then sorting data using the dplyr library, then sorting in descending order, and lastly we will cover sorting by multiple columns. So the first one is sorting data with base R. Here we are using the mtcast dataset that we were working previously also. And we are having the order function, and what this statement does, it returns the index positions sorted in increasing order. So this entire statement sorts by MPG in ascending order. The next one is sorting data using the dplyr library. This statement just simply imports our library, and now this is responsible for sorting the dataset by MPG in descending order. This statement and this statement work similarly of sorting the data using MPG in ascending order. The next is sorting in descending order. For descending order, we use the desc function. So in base R, we have two options of sorting the data in descending order. The first one is by simply using the negative symbol that triggers the system to sort the data using MPG in descending order. The other option is to simply use the decreasing operator and set it to true. So what it does, it will automatically sort the data set by MPG in descending order. So in the library dplyr, we use the desc function to sort the data in descending order. The last part for this video will be sorting by multiple columns. So sorting by multiple columns is useful when dealing with group data. We use the order function, and then it first sort by cylinder, then by MPG within each cylinder category. Then when it comes to library, the same thing is happening. It first sort by cylinder, then by MPG within each cylinder group. Do you know what this statement works for? It works for sorting in mixed order, like ascending and descending both. So what this statement does is it sorts by cylinder in ascending order and by MPG in descending order, because we are using the desc function here. So now that we know how to sort and arrange data in R, in the next video we will look at adding and modifying columns in R. These will be very short videos for you to better understand the concepts and practice them yourself in any of the dataset that you love to. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.